Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Samsung front-load washer door gasket. First, always prioritize safety by unplugging your appliance from the power outlet. You will need a few basic tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and possibly some pliers. Most importantly, have your new door gasket ready to go. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's remove the old door seal. Open the washer door and locate the outer retaining band around the gasket. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry off the spring and then remove the entire band. Next, gently peel the outer lip of the old gasket away from the front panel. Inside the washer, you will find an inner retaining band. Loosen its screw and remove it. Then pull the old gasket completely out. With the old gasket removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new door seal, ensuring that any drain holes or alignment marks match those on your washer, typically at the 6 o'clock position. Begin by fitting the inner lip of the new gasket over the edge of the washer's inner tub. Work your way around, making sure it is seated correctly. Then, reattach and tighten the inner retaining band securely. Finally, let's finish up and test your work. Pull the outer lip of the new door gasket over the front panel, ensuring it sits flush. Reinstall the outer retaining band, carefully stretching it around the gasket and securing the spring, usually found near the 6 o'clock position. Once everything is reassembled, plug your washer back in. Run a short, empty wash cycle to check for any leaks and confirm your new gasket is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.